check guys, it's 4:45 and kakarating lang namin ng Ninh. Ay, antok-antok pa kami. Ito guys, nakasakay na kami ng taxi.
Ang ganda ng infotainment niya. Ang laptop.
Uso sa kanila talaga yung electric car and this is not the first. Ayan. This is Vietnamese brand?
Yeah, Vietnamese brand.
Yeah? What's name this car?
Si Vinfast.
Vinfast?
Yeah.
Here. Grabe, very luxurious yung car. They said it's a Vietnamese brand. Bye-bye. So this is where we're going to stay in Ninh Binh. And meron silang rent a bike and rent a motorbike. Yan, respect the culture guys. Ito yung mga tsinelas sa labas. Ayan guys, pinlastic na lang yung slippers. So yan guys, this is our bedroom. Dito kami nakabook. Tignan nyo, ang ganda ng kanilang mga gamit dito. CR, malinis. Maganda. Yan. And very sulit. How much dito? 486,000 dong for 2 nights. And that's around how much sa peso? Nasa ano, mahigit 1-2 na mga ganyan. Mga 1-2, so that's 600 pesos per night. Per room. 600 pesos with free breakfast.
Yeah. And free bike.
And free bike. Pwede yung gamitin yung bike nila for free. May bayad din yung motorbike. 150 dong per day. And bahala ka na sa gasolina. And this is the Tam Kok
Springfield Hostel.
Yan ang name. Guys, ang cute ng helmet nila. Parang gusto ko mag-uwi ng ganito. Parang sombrero lang. Rides na tayo guys, rides! Ate, hello! Yan. Ride tayo guys, ride! Woo! Derecho? Wow! Papasada pa na mabilis yan. Ang takot ng kusina.
Took a morning ride to the place where you
Guys,
and I
in
were
Vietnam.
supposed to meet. City on sticker one, my thoughts are spinning on
Fist
and
bump.
on my head.
Yeah! Like this.
They lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe you. Oh, 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 oh. Took the morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is found a way home.
So, nandito kami sa first stop.
I found a way home.
Dito.
I found a way home.
Hello.
I found a way home. 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 So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. Oh, 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 oh. Coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are home. I found a way 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 home. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. Oh, 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 oh. Coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are home.
Guys, adventure dito. At the end of the trail. Tubigan lang na ganda. So that's it for our day. Day 6 here in Ninh Binh sa Vietnam. Yeah. Sumakay kami nung bangka, napakaganda nung destination namin. Ito yung pinagshootingan ng King Kong. Yes, so highly recommended. Punta kayo dito. And that's it. See you tomorrow for day 7.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.